do you mind just giving us a brief overview of the interim results and what you feel about Pan African's performance?
Sure. Well, I think as we've said in the sense, I mean, we're quite pleased. It's a robust, much improved set of results. Our all-in costs of production have come right down. We've managed to increase production from continuing operations. We managed to commission Elikhulu, and Elikhulu is running very well. So we have prospects of further cost reductions in the future. So overall, happy, but more work to do. From a safety perspective, obviously critical. I think a very good safety performance. So we need to look to maintain that also.
Okay. And in terms of the gold price environment and shifts in the geopolitical situation, could you perhaps comment on what connotations that has for the company going forward?
Sure. Well, obviously we highly leveraged to the gold price. The gold price that was prevailing during this set of results has subsequently increased quite a lot, both in US dollar terms and also in rands. So if this gold price prevails, then certainly I think we'll see the impact, a positive impact of the gold price on the full year set of results. In terms of the geopolitical situation, we all know it's very unstable, very difficult, and I think one is seeing the impact on the dollar gold price as a result. So it's held up quite well above 1,300. It actually seems to have spiked a bit more. So I think that's positive for gold producers.
And in terms of your continuing operations, particularly Barberton and the underground operations, could you just give me a brief future projection as to what the operation will be doing going forward?
As we pointed out in the set of results, our production mix surface to underground is almost now 50-50. So 50% of our production comes from low cost, actually ultra low cost, safe, sustainable surface tailings. That's quite positive. As far as the underground at Barberton is concerned, the underground's been going for 130 years. It survived an awful many issues and difficulties. In all likelihood, it'll survive most of us also. So yes, I mean, we have definitive initiatives to increase flexibility. We have one of the highest grading ore bodies in the world at the 11 block at Fairview. Some of the grades run in excess of 100 grams per ton on average. That 11 block runs at sort of 25 grams per ton. So we need to increase flexibility. We need to increase our ability to extract the ore in a sustainable manner, which is why we're busy with a subvertical shaft. We've increased our development towards our next platform. So I think all of that bodes well for the Barberton underground going forward.
And in terms of exploration and other growth opportunities?
So yes, I mean, the focus presently is to make sure that our portfolio of existing production performs like it should. That's a key focus. Investors and others are always getting quite excited about growth. I think we're fortunate in that we have a nice portfolio of internal growth projects, the likes of Aurora Sheba, the 8-shaft pillar project that we've now detailed in our presentation. So those sort of projects I think will add ounces in the next years.